everyone, it's me Sadrina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally showing you guys how to make a back to school emergency kit at Walmart. Hopefully I can find all the essentials. The travel section should have everything we need though. First thing I need to look for is a bag. Usually a makeup bag, but these ones look kind of big. Honestly, this isn't too bad. This one's $2.57 if you just want something small and it's see-through so you can see everything. These look way too big to be bringing to school though, so maybe at Walmart you'll just have to get a pencil bag or something. This small purple one inside looks good. $12.97 for this duo. I don't think I'd want to be carrying around a big bag in my backpack that I already have. Just taking up space for what? Also, I feel like I don't always tell you guys this. I show you the small ones that will fit in your emergency kit, but you can get this, and once that runs out, you can get the actual big packs and just fill this up every time. I'm pretty sure you'll save some money that way, especially if you get the store brand. This is only 98 cents and you just put it back into your small container. That goes for the cotton rounds, cotton balls, everything. Ooh, look at this travel center. They have spray hand sanitizer. Let's check out these scents. Raspberry mango. Oh, I would probably get this. Cozy comfort suede. That's a scent? I thought this was gonna be vanilla, to be honest. And whipped chai. These are actually surprising me. Different scents. How much are they? Probably about $1 or $2. But this would be so cute to put in your emergency kit. Always bring hand sanitizer, always. Oh, rainfall. I found another one. Don't know where it came from though. Let's see what's on the other side, because I'm seeing a bunch of toothpaste and shampoo, which you don't need for school really. They have wet ones. Hypoallergenic for sensitive skin. I guess it's just the same stuff on this other side. Now you guys can probably see where I am. This is where all the pads are, because the package that the pads come in are big, but obviously for your emergency kit you're only going to bring a couple. So take a few, slip it in your emergency kit, bring it to school. You're good for those last minute random emergencies at school. Oop, hey. You just wanted to walk through. We have Always. I'm not sure what the most popular brand is, but there's also You by Kotex here. It's good to bring 3 feminine care products, 1 thick pad, 1 thin, and then 1 panty liner. I feel like you're covered. You're good. Panty liners are over here. I never really show tampons because I don't use them, so I don't really know which ones are the best. I do know some of you guys like them, so I'll try to show some and see if I can figure it out. Tampax, I've definitely heard of this brand everywhere. I feel like Tampax is the Always when it comes to tampons, you know what I mean? Okay, 56 for $14.54. Are tampons more expensive than pads? I think they are. Wait, why is this the only brand I'm seeing? Hello? You by Kotex also has some, 30 of them for $9.96. Ooh, wait, I love this. It comes with 3 different kinds. So you have 15 for the regular days, 10 for the super, and then 5 for the super plus. That's actually really smart. It covers everything the whole week. Playtex Sport. This is for the athletes. I don't know. This doesn't really relate to the emergency kit, but it's still cute because it's 2 packs of Dove body washes. When did they come out with these? It's still self-care. $14.47. I don't think it beats the 3-pack at Costco though. This is the travel section. Not as glamorous as the Target one, but I guess it'll do as long as you get your essentials. Ooh, what is this? Jergens Natural Glow. If you want that tan glowy shine to your skin. But I always say this, you need some lotion, because I feel like it's so embarrassing if your hands are dry and ashy when you're out in public and you have nothing to fix it with. Dr. Teal's Body Lotion Coconut Oil. I haven't seen this one. Ooh, CeraVe. This is very different from what I was seeing at Target and Aveeno. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think it's excessive to bring mouthwash to school? It's a lot. I feel like gum will do the trick, but let me know what you guys think. This is so smart. A mini flosser and pick travel pack. It's $1. So after lunch, if you have anything in your teeth, and especially if you have braces, this could be a good thing to put in your emergency kit. And it's cute and purple. Okay, Walmart, I see you. I see you. $1.50. Pretty affordable. I don't think I showed this in my Target version of this video. They also have Advil. I'm pretty sure they have a mini Tylenol somewhere here. Just for those kinds of days, girls. If you know, you know. And yes, they have Tums. If you're not a fan of Tums, they also have some Pepto chewables. Pepto-Bismol if you have some stomach problems. Always good to have a first aid kit, but then again, I don't think this should be at the top of your list for an emergency kit because they have nurse offices, but they also have the cute welly ones. Always my recommendation for mini lotions. Love Jergens. Jergens, at this point, sponsor me, please. A bunch of Purell hand sanitizers for $1.50. These are really small too, so it'll definitely fit in your emergency kit. Germex has some as well. These are a little bit bigger. For those of you that are in gym or dance or do any kind of physical activity at school, even if you don't, bringing deodorant might be a good idea. Just in case if it's really hot and you're sweaty or you're doing a lot of activities, a quick freshen up won't hurt, you know. But at the end of the day, you guys know your body, so you know if you really need to bring this or not. The mini Q-tip packs up here, 30 Q-tips for $1.50. My faves, Kleenex packs. Especially for when you're sick, these really come in handy. You guys don't even know. I think I've kind of gone through everything you really need from the travel section. But I don't know, I feel like I'm not satisfied with the bag. We need to find a cuter bag here for you guys. Come on, Walmart, you have to compete with Target. Why is the lighting so bad over here? Well, I tried looking for some cute pouches over at the back to school supplies aisles. They're wiped out. I know it's August, so everyone's going back to school, but dang, there's nothing there. Should we go to a new location? I don't know. Of course, I have to hit up the hair section. Who doesn't need a few extra hair ties, you know? It's always good to have these on hand. $3.97, especially if you wear your hair down a lot and let's say it gets too hot or just too overwhelming. It's nice to have hair ties here. For certain hairstyles, I do use the regular basic hair ties, but for us thick-haired girlies and girls who wear braids, we need something a lot stronger than just this because it's gonna break. I don't even see the usual ones that I like to get. Usually the Goody brand has hair ties like this, but 2 times thicker though. This is nice too. This is still bigger than the usual ones though, so it's a good option. They also have these thick hair bands made specifically for thick hair. So just look around, see what you need, what works best for your hair, and you could pop a couple of them in your emergency kit to bring to school. Ooh, medium hold. These are cute. Oh, look at these tiny mini combs by Conair. So cutesy. Do they work well though? You can put one in your emergency kit. I forgot to show the spray deodorants because I know not everybody is a roll-on person. They have Dove dry spray, and this is a secret whole body spray. I'm not sure though, guys, because first of all, this feels empty. Second of all, most of the time I smell these whole body sprays, they don't smell good. So I don't know. This one is peach and vanilla blossom though. That should smell good. But a lot of the whole body sprays I've scent tested, not a big fan. Guys, look, they have even more of these spray hand sanitizers. $2.98. Wow, I thought these were cheaper. It's still affordable, but I thought they were like $1 to $2, remember? Sandalwood Waves, Brazilian coconut. Ooh, that one sounds good. We also have Lush Aloe, and then this one you guys have already seen. So this is where the rainfall ones came from. These Equate antibacterial wipes are only 98 cents. That's a good price. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I really tried. I hope this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Let me know what you guys think and if I should go to another store to do this. I'm thinking I should definitely do this at Five Below. I just know they have a lot of good stuff. Yeah, make sure you give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peach Queen Official. I feel like I'm being stared at. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.